Hello everyone, and this is my last day in Japan today. So I am back in Tokyo and today I'm exploring Odaiba area, which looks very interesting and different from the rest what I've seen. So I've just been into the Venus Fort, which is like a shopping center which has a very unique and interesting design. I find it very interesting, and there's also a Ferris wheel if you want to see the views from the top. If you're interested in cars, it's also a very good place to visit because there's Venus Garage, or I will leave the name on the screen, where you can see old cars, and there's also a Toyota showroom which is not allowed to film or take pictures from. So now let's go and see what else we can find here. Okay, so I'm not in New York right now. I am in Odaiba, Tokyo, Japan, and this is the third Statue of Liberty I've found so far. So the first one was in 2010 in New York, then the second one was in 2012 in Paris, and this is the third one now. So how many more can I find in this world? And behind is actually, I believe, a rainbow bridge, which I will wait to lit up because it's getting dark anyway, it's very early. Let's go! Odaiba seems to be such an interesting place, and also quite relaxed with a beach and Ferris wheel and river and cruises which go, I think, to Asakusa and some other places. It's a man-made island which is much older than I expected. I can't remember the dates now when it was, but it's a few hundred years, which is a very surprising thing for me. I did not expect that. But yeah, it has very interesting architecture, like Fuji television building, and yeah, it's really nice. It's a great area if you want to see a sunset over Tokyo, which is absolutely beautiful, and it's just very relaxed. If you get to the water, the beach, and little parks like Battery Odaiba Park, I'm right now sitting enjoying the sunset. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short video about Odaiba and my last day in Tokyo. It's time for me to go back to the hotel and go off to sleep, because even though it's still quite early, but I need to be at the airport before 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, so I really need to call it a day. So I hope you enjoyed my trip to Japan. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Comment down below what was your favorite part. If you haven't seen all of my videos, if you missed any, I will leave the playlist down below in the description box so you can catch up. And and then I will see you on my other adventures next week. Bye!